Let us take two objects A and B, which are placed closely to each other. Now tell me, when can the object A push the object B away from its initial position? It's only when the force applied by object A is greater than the opposite force applied by object B. In a similar way, when an object is placed on top of a water surface, it will push down the water and sink if the downward force applied by it is greater than the opposite force which is acting upward by the water. And the same object will otherwise float if the downward force applied by it is lesser than the opposite force applied by the water. So, when a boat enters the water, the downward gravity of the boat tries to act against the upward pressure exerted by the water. And when its gravity is lesser than the upward pressure, it floats. But what about density? What does it mean when we say that boats float in water because it has lesser density than that of water? When a boat enters the water, the total volume of the boat will be interacting with an equal volume of water in order to displace this water. Since the boat is actually hollow from inside and consists mostly of air, the lesser density of the boat is due to air. So in this case, lesser density of the boat simply means that the boat having air has lesser mass, and so lesser force of gravity when compared with the upward pressure of the water, which is due to relatively higher density of the water. Thus, we can see now that the upward pressure due to high density of water is greater than the downward gravitational force of the boat. As a result, the boat floats.